Hi, I'm Sarah Bergman, the Assistant Executive Director of the Center for Biological Diversity. The center exists for one reason: to save our planet's wildlife and plants from extinction. Our uniquely talented staff work through law, science, politics, and public organizing to give imperiled species the best shot possible at survival. Whether polar bears, wolves, orchids, or frogs, we believe all species should have a safe place to live and thrive. Once a species is extinct, it's gone forever, and we're all poorer for it. We do more than believe, we win. The Center is the most effective, most successful endangered species organization in the nation, bar none. Since 1989, we've won positive decisions in 93% of our cases, protecting more than 500 species under the Endangered Species Act and winning protection for more than 220 million acres of wildlife habitat. That's more than twice the size of California. Every day, dozens of wildlife and plant species vanish from the earth, the latest victims in what scientists call the world's sixth mass extinction crisis. This urgency is why the Center invests most of our funds directly into hiring passionate, top-shelf lawyers, scientists, and advocates to assert our nation's environmental laws, securing lasting protection for species and wild places on the brink of extinction. We take on the toughest fights across the country, going up against big oil, big coal, mega developers, our growing human population, and bad politics and sluggish government bureaucracy. We do this to ensure that no time is wasted in getting life-saving protections for animals and plants and the oceans, lands, climate, and air they need to survive. We're the group that wrote and won legal safeguards for the polar bears in Alaska, which rocketed global warming into the discussion on how best to protect our planet's inhabitants. We also filed the largest petition ever to stop unregulated pesticides from polluting our waterways, and another to win protection for 400 freshwater species in the Southeast. We also secured a landmark agreement with the United States Fish and Wildlife Service in 2011, moving 757 species toward protection. We know the fight ahead will be fierce. Threats to species are accelerating as the globe is warming at an alarming pace. Wildlife habitat is rapidly disappearing, and species continue to become extinct at a frightening rate. That's why the Center's working harder than ever, all across the country, to secure protection for our most vulnerable animals and plants. These species deserve a place to live, survive, and thrive, and as the world closes in around them, they need someone to work tirelessly on their behalf. That's what the Center does every single day. I hope you'll join us.